In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Teamviewer in just 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to free up some system resources or ensure a secure logout from a remote desktop session, knowing how to properly close Teamviewer can be quite useful. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to locate the Teamviewer icon on your computer. If you're using a Windows operating system, this icon is typically found in the system tray. Now you might be wondering, where exactly is the system tray? It's that handy little area located in the bottom right corner of your screen, right next to the clock. This is usually where your computer displays various program icons that are running in the background. For Mac users, you'll find similar icons on the menu bar at the top of the screen. Either way, keep your eyes peeled for the blue and white Teamviewer icon. It resembles a double-sided arrow with distinctive opposing angles. Once you've spotted the Teamviewer icon, the next step is to right-click on it. If you're using a touchpad, you might need to simulate a right-click by pressing the lower right corner of your trackpad, or use a two-finger tap depending on how your system is set up. This action will bring up a context menu, which gives you multiple options related to Teamviewer. From this menu, you'll want to choose the option that allows you to exit or close Teamviewer. The exact wording might vary slightly based on your version, but typically it explicitly states something like Exit Teamviewer or Close Teamviewer. Clicking this option will initiate the closing process. This action ensures that Teamviewer is completely shut down and not just minimized or running in the background. Shutting down properly can help enhance the security of your system by closing off any remote access points that might otherwise remain open. A quick tip here. If you're shutting down Teamviewer to troubleshoot connectivity issues or to simply restart, this method also ensures you'll have a clean slate when you launch it again. And that's it. You've successfully closed Teamviewer. This quick process is a crucial skill to maintain your computer's security and efficiently manage the applications running on your system. Understanding how to close Teamviewer when you're done using it helps in freeing up system resources, potentially making your computer run a bit smoother if it's feeling bogged down by too many open processes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video or have further questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Goodbye and see you next time.